Well, guys, I took apart this pot from Lowe's, the Ready Refill. So this is what I took, the dying aeonium. So the other one is totally a goner. This one is not a goner. Still, I'll probably be able to rescue this. It looks like there's little tiny fine hairs of roots, so probably I'll do let it dry up for a day. Too much of over water, and then I will replant this. So hopefully I could save this one, this aeonium. And I took out this guy here, very wet. So I'm gonna have to take this apart and just leave the top here and use this as a propagation. So we'll see. So I'm gonna start taking this apart. This is gonna be propagation leaves. Lots of leaves, guys. I'm gonna have to take this apart because they are getting rotten. So hopefully I get more babies on this one. So this is really not, so when I take this off, I just make sure, easy to snap and a clean snap. So that look like a clean one, so that will have chances to make more babies. This one, see, very easy. This is the type of Echeveria that I like propagating. I like them because it's so easy to snap off the leaves. So there you go. Now I'm left with this little guy. It's not even, but I'm gonna have to even it out. That way it'll look pretty. So maybe that and that, just like that. I'm not gonna cut this last one. So that's that. And then see, this roots are about coming out over the side here. So that's a good sign. So I'm just gonna leave this like this for now, and the rest will be propagation, and we'll see. I'm gonna go with the next one. This guy, take this apart. Oh, whoops, see that? This one, very rotten leaf. Poor thing. See that, guys? See this? So we are really not doing good. And look at the roots coming out from this. See the roots? Lots of new roots coming out. So there's a chance. Clean this up. And then same thing that I did with the other one, because I like to have more propagation leaves anyways. I'm gonna take this apart. So how easy that is, see? Very easy. That one kinda didn't go right. See this end here, but we'll see. So this, let's cut them off, make it kind of look even. So this one doesn't look good. I'm gonna get this off. That looked nice. I want it smaller though. Smaller. That looked nice. So then I'm gonna plant this guy and this guy here. Two of them going to a new home or pot. And here are the leaves I took off. See these leaves? lots of propagation. And then now this guy here don't look so bad. Oh, I spoke too early. It is bad. Very wet and about to rot. So let's see. Oh guys, look at that. Ew, yuck. Ew, so gooey. Don't like it. Don't like that. Okay, so this guy, I'm gonna take this rotten thing out of his stem. Take this off, take that off, and I took a baby with it. Nice. Oh dear, I did not do that good. But anyways, that's got rotten stuff in there, so I don't think that's ever gonna survive anyways. So that's off. Those are the babies. These are the babies right here. Two of them. Two babies. And this, oh, look at how disgusting that is. Poor thing. Poor plant. Oh, imagine if I didn't get this, it will just stay rotten in that pot and die. Poor little guy. See this? I'm just gonna get this off. See? No propagation chance for that. This one either. But the stem that where I took it off, it's still healthy, so it might have more babies that will pop up there. Who knows? This is just like this, guys, is out from that, coming out in the stem right here. So that's chances. This is still good. I don't want to take that off. It's very wet though. I'm gonna let this set on the table for a day or so, hoping that it will dry up and I can replant them after that. So let this dry up. I probably would spray alcohol on this. I have to wait. I don't want to damage them too much. So that's that. I need a different plate. Okay, dirty plate right here. I'll use that one. So this might be, I'm gonna see, because I never propagated a campfire before, but I'm gonna try to see if I could do that one on that one leaf. So this guy, my favorite one, the last one that made me want to pick out this pot. So this doesn't look bad. Oh, look at this beautiful thing. Healthy elephant ears. Oh, is that elephant ears? I don't know what I'm talking about. Elephant bush. So, ooh, it looked nice, you guys. This doesn't look that bad. See this guy here? Oh, I don't like touching the gooey stuff. Who does like that? You know? Rotten leaves is so yucky. Well, anyways, here you go, guys. Poor little thing. Yay! Look at, that's pretty. Look at her baby right there. Can you believe that? I never seen things like that before. That is amazing. Look, the baby. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. This little aeonium right there, and the others right here. I want to clean this up here. All right, this doesn't have any gooey rotten leaves, just a little bit yellows, but they are not. Get that off, get that dirty thing off. Show you this guy here. Well, this leaf is not so bad, it's just yellow. Probably should not have taken that off, but I did. See, this one is ready to get replanted somewhere. I I just don't know where I'm gonna put this guy yet, but pretty, huh? So I'm gonna put this guy here, and I'm gonna leave this the elephant bush in this spot for now. So here are the pieces that I took off from that pot. So I have this beautiful Aeonium black rose. Hopefully I can rescue this. And this Echeveria pearl von Nuremberg, 2 of them. And here are the pieces of leaves that I have. I probably would leave them in this plate for a day. And then I'm gonna do also a dry propagation for this guys here. So I'm gonna experiment on that and I will update you. And also here are the beautiful tiny little bits of Aeonium. Little pretty things. Look at how beautiful they are. And this campfire. So I'm gonna, and there is one leaf that I am thinking of propagating and experimenting on that. So I'm gonna have to find a pot that I can plant on for these things. I don't know if I have available pots right now. I have to find some or move some plants around, and also I'm gonna have to put some in ground because I want to see them grow bigger. So here are my babies, and I also left the elephant bush right here, so I'm gonna have to move that. And here is the other not looking good one, Aeonium. So this is a gunner, so nothing I can do with that. And well, that's it for now, and I'll give you an update on this guys, you guys. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in a little bit in the next video. Bye bye.